Hello. So, couple of months ago I tried to use this Trangia alcohol stove inside the Esbit pocket stove, and the test failed. There was just not enough space between the Trangia and the mug. The flame kept shutting down. So this solution didn't work out. So I decided to go with the DIY alcohol stove, which is made out of aluminum soda can. This has much lower profile than the Trangia. It's almost the same diameter. This fits perfectly inside the Esbit stove. So this would be the first test burn with this DIY alcohol stove. Let's try to boil 2 deciliters of water. So here we have the 2 deciliters of water. So let's pour that inside the mug. And let's put some alcohol liquid inside the stove. And then let's start the test. Today is not so windy, so I didn't put the extra windscreen plate on the other side of the Esbit stove. 4 minutes has gone now. There's bubble in the bottom of the mug now. Six minutes has gone now. And it's boiling. So a little bit over 6 minutes and we had boiling water. One really nice thing about this aluminum stove is that you can grab it almost instantly after the flame has gone off. It doesn't burn your hands. One small modification I was thinking to do is to drill 12 more small holes inside the stove right about here to test will it burn then more efficiently. So with the Trangia stove there was just not enough gap here. If we compare that to the DIY stove, so now there's plenty of room. In this test we got boiling water in around time of 6 minutes.